Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to give you 2 tips to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. So stick around, you're going to see this whole video to see the 2 tips that I'll show you. We're going to get started on that here right now. Alright guys, welcome back to the video. And like I told you in the intro here, we're going to give you 2 tips on how to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. And what this is going to involve is, if you like to write, if you're good at writing articles and you like to write, this is a great way. These are great ways to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Okay. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. And if you have been here before, or you're new to the channel or to my videos and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Okay? Alright, and for those that are new to my videos, what we do at this channel, Freedom Motivator Kevin Lehner site here, channel, we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, how to make money online, and once in a while we'll throw a motivational video in there as well. Okay? Alrighty guys. Well, let's go ahead and get started in on this video here today. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a couple of websites. Now these 2 tips already assume that you have your own website. Okay? And with your own website, and you have your own offers, your own affiliate offers already that you're promoting. Okay? So what we're going to do is come over here to a site called eZine Articles. Some people may have already seen this. eZine Articles gets quite a bit of traffic. I'm going to I wonder if I can see if we can see the amount of traffic that this site gets here. I'm going to open up my thing here and paste into Chrome here, because I have an extension on Chrome called Similar Web, which you guys can get. It's right up here. If I click on this, and it brings out, and it'll show us the amount of traffic that eZine Articles gets. Actually, this extension, this browser extension, you can get if you go to similarweb.com. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and then just install the Chrome extension for Similar Web, and it'll put a little icon up here for you, and you'll be able to check the traffic statistics of any website in the world. So for eZine Articles, this site gets monthly visits of up to 2 million people. That's pretty good traffic. That's pretty good traffic to a website. Pretty high amount of people per month. Alright, so and they got average visit durations about 3 minutes, and pages per visit about 2.5, and then so on and so forth. And you can see their geography here, where most of their traffic is coming from in the world. The United States is about 26%, India is about 12%, and I can't pronounce that. Djibouti is 6.3%, United Kingdom 5%, 6.13% on the Djibouti, 5.72%, and Canada is about 2.9% there. So that's eZine Articles gets a lot of traffic per month, so it's a good place for you to drive traffic from. Now, what you're going to do basically here is you're going to sign up. It's free to sign up here at eZine Articles. You can join and sign up here. It's free to do that. And you can submit articles, you see, in all the different categories that they have here. They've got anything from arts and entertainment all the way clear to writing and speaking, and everything pretty much in between. So you can put articles in any of these categories. So if you're good with writing articles, certainly you write an article and then put your affiliate link into that article, or your website link if you have your own website. And well, I mean a real website. I'm not talking about a landing page, although you can direct traffic to a landing page too, and some people do that. But I'm talking about if you have like a regular website, like you see mine down there at the bottom left corner, freedommotivator.com. That's my primary website there. So you can drive traffic from eZine Articles to your website. Now, give you an example. So if we just see we're talking about affiliate marketing, right? So we'll just put that in the search engine, and you can see it brings up a lot of articles here. A lot of these are dated articles. These are pretty old, But you can come down to the bottom of e-zine articles that when you're into a category and just click on the newest articles first here, or the oldest first, however you want to do it. Here you can search by newest. So if we click on newest, the newest article was posted, looks like on the 8th of August, okay? And then it goes down, and they get older as you go down the list. But these are articles in affiliate marketing. So I mean, you can click on any one of these articles and read it. It's free to submit your article here, like I said. And then you see that people are doing the same thing here, and they're directing people back to their website. So like if we click on this, it'll open up, takes you to this person's website here. He has, it looks like this is a free website that he has here on Blogspot, which is Google's blogging platform. And it's free to do that on excuse me, it's free to do that on any of, you know, Blogspot or Google. It's all free. You can create a free blog there with no problem. And you see that it directs you back to this person's website or blog, and then they've got affiliate links in here. So this is a great way to drive targeted traffic, and we know that it's targeted because well, it's people that's interested in affiliate marketing, obviously, right? And I mean, this can be done with any category, like I was saying. So that's one way to do it there. That's tip number one. Use your affiliate offers in an article. If you like to write and you're good at writing articles, as you can see, this isn't very long. This might only be about a 200-word article, and then with an affiliate link at the bottom. And that is how you can drive traffic, targeted traffic to your website from e-zine articles. Now there's another one over here. Tip number 2 is a website called Super Articles. You can do the very same here. Again, it's free to sign up. Register. You can register right here. It's free to sign up. In fact, they tell you right here that they are a content sharing platform where writers get the chance to reach their readers. See? Gain exposure to your website, blog, business, or yourself. Share your ideas with our community of readers to gain credibility, and create original and insightful contents to gain traffic back to your site and grow your business. So you can just pretty much the same thing. You're going to create an article, and you're going to post it here on Super Articles with a link back to your affiliate website, right? Or your website, or either your landing page where you can collect people's email address, which is a good thing to do, and or back to your primary website. And as you can see, this person has an affiliate link right here, what's called an anchor link. When you put a link inside an article or in words, that's called an anchor link, because it's anchored inside a sentence type of link there. And yeah, it takes you back, and you can see over to their affiliate website here. If we click on it, and it comes over here and opens up their particular website, if it's going to load here. And then you see there's people are offering products and so on and so forth here that people can purchase, and it looks like it has a lot to do with food and that kind of thing, this particular site here. But you see, this is how you can drive targeted traffic to your website or landing page or your affiliate offers. So that's the 2 tips I wanted to show you today, guys. If you got some value out of this video and it'll help you, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell down there so you get notified of new videos. And also click the link down there below if you want to get involved in a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and get a marketing education. Click the link down below there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay? And I'll let you go with that, guys. And there's plenty of other links down there below that will help you out too as well. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. All right? You guys take care. Bye-bye now.